Hello guys, come back with me, Dzaffa Ulhaq. In this video, I'll show you how to make a program to count the area of rectangle on Netbeans application. So check it out.
Okay, here we are. First of all, to make a program using Netbeans, make sure your laptop or computer has installed the Netbeans application. Second, open Netbeans application. To make a new project, you can click File and then New Project, choose Dzaffa application and then Next. Or you can also do this with click this icon, choose Dzaffa application and then Next. Third, type your project name and select the folder when you will save this project. After this, click Finish. Fourth, type a program or script like this. Step. After typing this script, run the program like this. Right click on editor window and then click Run File. You can also run the program with shortcut Shift plus F6. The last step. After the feature appear in the output window, you just input the length and the width of the rectangle and then click enter. Insert 3 and then 3 and tada, the result will appear.
That's a simple program about how to count the area of rectangle on Netbeans application. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment below. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so you know when I upload a new video. Well, thanks for watching my video. See you next time.